Okay, so first off, welcome to my second channel. I'm gonna go more into depth and into detail here. Subscribe to my main channel called Educos if you want to see my paintings with their step-by-step process as well. All right, so this is part of my recent painting of Jalen Brunson, who plays for the New York Knicks. And as part of this, I had to match his light skin tone shown here. So here is the recipe for the skin tone. Only issue was I didn't have red oxide, so I'm gonna show you how to make this from scratch. Okay, so I'm using oil here, by the way, but what you're gonna need to mix red oxide is cadmium red and burnt sienna. All right, so we're gonna mix these two together here. Also, by the way, check out my video on mixing colors on my main channel. This will also explain why I mixed from light to dark. We'll link it up here and down below in the description. Okay, so now that we have red oxide, let's make our light skin tone here to match the skin color of Jalen Brunson. Okay, so remember, these are the colors we need to make the light skin tone. Titanium white, yellow oxide or yellow ochre, red oxide, and burnt umber to shade it a bit darker. So, silly me, in this video, I added light on dark, which makes it more difficult to achieve the color I'm looking for, but we're gonna work with it here. So I'm adding yellow ochre to my red oxide I just made here, and I have to add a lot so it becomes light. To make it even lighter, I'm gonna add titanium white here, and as you can see, it's getting a bit lighter on the peachy side, which is what I want. Alright, gonna start adding bits of burnt umber to bring out some darker browns, but also being careful here since it's a dominant color. So you're gonna adjust as needed, adding some white and burnt umber, and you're done. To see the full painting process, subscribe to my main channel called Educos and subscribe for more. Peace.